a surreal and captivating destination on the shores of the Salton Sea. Once a thriving resort town, it now stands as a testament to the passage of time and human creativity. Welcome to Bombay Beach, a place where time seems to ripple like the salty waters of the Salton Sea. Bombay Beach was established in the 1950s as a glamorous resort town, attracting tourists from all over California. But rising salinity levels and environmental challenges transformed it into a ghost town, leaving behind a unique blend of decay and art. Before you visit, here are a few things you should know. Bombay Beach is located in the Sonoran Desert, so bring plenty of water, sunscreen, and comfortable walking shoes. The best time to visit is during the cooler months, from October to April. First on the list, explore the abandoned structures that tell the story of Bombay Beach's past. Each building has its own tale, frozen in time and offering a glimpse into the town's former glory. Next, discover the vibrant art installations scattered throughout the town. From quirky sculptures to colorful murals, Bombay Beach has become an open-air gallery, attracting artists from all over the world. If you're visiting in spring, don't miss the Bombay Beach Biennale, an annual art and culture festival that transforms the town into a hub of creativity and performance. Just a short drive away, visit Salvation Mountain, an awe-inspiring hand-painted monument created by Leonard Knight. This vibrant hillside art piece is a must-see for its colorful message of love and faith. End your day with a stunning sunset over the Salton Sea. The golden hues reflecting off the water create a mesmerizing scene that's perfect for photos and quiet reflection. Bombay Beach and the Salton Sea are home to a variety of unique wildlife. Birdwatchers will delight in spotting species like pelicans, herons, and egrets that frequent the area. Bombay Beach at Salton Sea offers a one-of-a-kind experience where history, art, and nature converge. Whether you're an adventurer, an artist, or simply curious, this desert gem has something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more off-the-beaten-path adventures. Until next time, happy exploring!